Picture. Season 2, Episode 1. Caillou plays with a soldering iron, burns Leo, suspended, grounded.
Class, today we will begin to solder our wires for our hovercrafts. I will read the warning label before we begin. Warning, contains lead, vapor is harmful. Now begin. Follow the instructions in the video.
Okay, let's begin to solder some of this solder on our hovercrafts. I will plug it in. Great, let's begin watching the video.
During the video.
Man, I'm getting so bored. What should I do? HMM. Oh wait. I'll play with the soldering iron. La 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 la. I'm playing with the soldering iron. La 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 la.
James, what do you need? Caillou is dilly-dallying with the soldering iron and is about to burn Leo.
La 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 la.
Hey, it burns. It burns.
Mr. Lucas, Caillou burned me.
Caillou, I can't believe you burned Leo. Go to the principal's office now. Caillou, I can't believe you played with a soldering iron during STEM class in burned Leo. That's it. You are suspended for 2 months. Go home now.
At home.
Gail freaking Bolthead Lou. How freaking dare you play with a soldering iron and burn Leo? That's so freaking it. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7, 5, 5, 2, 9, 2, 9 times E times per years. Go to your room right freaking now and never come out.
Why?